Today I'm excited to announce the arrival of something I've been waiting for a pretty long time. I ordered this item about February, which I believe was the second wave of orders for this particular thing. And I've just now received it, and we're most of the way through, we're the 27th of June. What this is the FN Specialties Dorin Technologies X-Prt 90, which is a cross-progressive reset trigger for your FN PS90. Forced reset triggers and progressive reset triggers like this have gained quite a bit of popularity in the last few years, so it's no surprise to see somebody coming out with what I think is hopefully going to be a pretty good product for this PS90. This particular one is the second wave of shipments. I've been doing a little bit of research with the first wave of shipments. People have had a little bit of maybe like some break-in issues with them. It takes a little bit of finagling to get it to run just quite right. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. We're going to take a look at what comes inside the package. I have not opened this yet. My address is on the other side, so I'm not going to flip it around. But this portion of the video is going to be unboxing and just taking a look at what's inside the kit. What do you get when you order one of these cross-progressive reset triggers from Dorin Technologies for your FN PS90. Now, as far as the installation goes, I am going to film my experience installing this cross-progressive reset trigger onto my PS90. However, YouTube is very clear on their policies with installing simulated automatic fire devices on firearms. And so I'm not sure how I can get around that. I am not sure how to get that content that I'm going to film installing it onto this to you guys. That's something I have to figure out yet. So that may or may not be a part of this video or any video in the future. I am just not sure about that quite yet. But I am going to film it just so that it's there if I can figure out a way to get it to you on YouTube. That is, there's other more conservative platforms that probably wouldn't mind having that content. But anyhow, for now, let's go ahead and unbox this. We'll take a look at what's inside the box, and then we'll go from there. Looks like if you watch, so Dorin has released themselves a couple of videos on installing this. I watched through their videos, and I feel like while they do a fine job of telling you the steps, the filming actually could have been a lot better in showing you actually how to install it. So I'm hoping that I can find a way to release an install video to you guys that's not going to get me in trouble. Anyhow, these are some lubrications. Got all of our parts pressed into this nice little foam piece here. This piece is your X-Prt 90 installation jig that is held with pins on the trigger pack. Whenever you go to install it, you push pins out partially to install this, and this helps you install the cross-progressive reset trigger. This looks like your hammer. Don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. This is a new mode selector. It's nice metal anodized versus the acceptable plastic. But, metal it just feels better in the hand, and it's extremely light. And then a couple of rod pieces right here that are installation aids. Okay, and that's it. It's very simple looking. The installation itself is, from what I understand, a little difficult. but doable. And that's pretty much it. That's it for unboxing. There's really not a whole lot to look at. Just some little metal parts that make a gun go burr. All right, we have our X-Prt 90 from Dorin Technologies all installed on this FN PS90 out here in the field, and we're going to test it out for the first time and see if it works. And if I die, at least it'll be on camera, so that's cool. I'm first going to do a couple of rounds single shot, just to verify that normal function is still there, and you know, if there's any issues we need to address before moving over to progressive reset. For those asking, this is a Huxworks Flow 556 Ti suppressor. That's pretty cool. Ammunition being used is FN Gunner Supersonic 5.7, obviously. That is certainly a strange feeling. So it's one trigger pull and it feels normal, and then you pull even further to activate the forced reset portion of it, and it is kind of hard to get it to kind of ride perfectly, because you have to pull just in the middle. If you pull too far, it's over, and if you're too light, it's over. So I feel like it's good for burst fire, at least, because I'm getting maybe 5-round bursts out of that. And let's keep on going. I'm gonna go through this magazine, which is all supersonic, and then I have some subsonic Fiocchi in my pocket that we're gonna go through. Awesome. All right, that's the first supersonic magazine. And the suppressor does a really good job of suppressing that, but you're still, as with any supersonic, suppressed or not, you're going to have that crack that's inevitable. It's breaking the sound barrier. There's nothing you can do about that with our technology, not yet. I'm going to give this a few minutes to cool off here, because they do say, Dorin Technologies does give you a pretty fair and clear warning that you need to, after every single magazine, give it a couple minutes to cool off, give it 5 minutes to cool off. Probably the more the better. I know you're probably eager to get shooting and just keep on going through mags, but they say every 100 rounds. I'm going to stick to every 50 rounds, keep it cool. I can hear my suppressor sizzling. There's little baby raindrops, so I gotta hurry up here. I'm sure my neighbors are wondering, what fresh hell is this? Alright, it's been a few minutes. Starting to rain a little bit, so I'm gonna get through this second magazine and then we're gonna call it a day on this. First magazine, supersonic, went super well. One failure to feed, but whatever, I don't really care. Okay, let's get our subsonic ammunition loaded in. We'll give her a shot. Man, that money flies quick. All right, that's going to be it. Dorin Technologies, X-Prt 90. Pretty awesome. I think it's going to take quite a few rounds to master, but overall function right away, excellent. Super excited about it. Thanks for watching.